To make this tangy chicken, we will take 750 grams of chicken, then add some salt, a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander or dhania powder, 1.5 teaspoons of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of curd or dahi, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. We will mix all of these ingredients thoroughly. Make sure that the chicken is coated well with the masala, and we will keep this aside for an hour. Now in a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is heated, add the marinated chicken into the vessel. Since we have marinated the chicken for an hour, the pieces have absorbed the masala well. The tomato ketchup is one of the main ingredients in this dish that gives the tanginess to the chicken. You can serve this as a side dish with roti and rice. It is quick and easy to make. Marination is a key element in this recipe. Arrange all the pieces evenly and be careful as the oil will sputter. Then fry the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on high heat. Then cover it with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes on high heat. Once the 15 minutes are done, remove the lid and stir the chicken for a while. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes, and this time on low heat. Now remove the lid and stir it again and let it cook for another 5 minutes or till the chicken is brown. Now once this is done, we will garnish the chicken with 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and a tablespoon of curry leaves. Give this a final and gentle mix, and your tasty tangy chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy!